James, you've got a beautiful stand here at MACH 2018. What are you displaying this year?
Well, thanks very much. Yeah, we put a lot of effort into the stand. Well, since last MACH, where we were introducing more centralised systems, we've taken great leaps, and this was the great opportunity to showcase that, and that is that we've made a couple of acquisitions now. So where we've been traditionally oil mist related products with the Absolent and Filtermist brands, we've now bought a brand called Multifan Systems and a brand called DustCheck. Multifan takes us into a lot of other areas of airborne contaminants, including VOCs and large centralised systems. And DustCheck is a UK manufacturer of dust extraction equipment. And again, this helps us to actually have a offering that we're manufacturing in-house to sell into that market in the metalworking sector.
And how is this benefiting your customers?
Well, this is benefiting. We've got this complete solution now. So whereas before we could go in, we've got systems for your CNC shop. Well, if you've got grinding in the corner, which might be any dust extraction, you've got some sort of fume creating any VOC. We can do VOC abatement, welding, you name it. Any type of process that you've got in your factory that's creating a pollution, we can do that solution for you. Not just manufacturing it, so we're manufacturing it, we'll design the system and we'll install it as well.
So really, you're guilty of cleaning up the engineering industry.
Well, we like to do that. I mean, it's everybody talks about, oh, you know, it's been a dirty industry for too long. Well, yeah, our ethos is protecting people, cleaner, safer, more productive workshops, and it is this clean thing. I mean, look around the whole of this MACH show here, and it's just this beautiful, you know, really nice, modern-looking concept. Factories should be like that. In fact, they are. They could be becoming like that, and we're happy to be there helping people to get it nice and clean. So that's going to attract people into the industry, which of course is a big message that's we're trying to get out to people.
So people can come along to your stand and learn a little bit more about the importance of filtration and to talk to you and see the products and discuss them with you.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And just to show, look, this is what we are doing to clean this environment. It's not dirty, we can clean that, we can do this. The air will be nice, you don't have to worry about your health. When you come into work, you can just get on and make your parts nice and clean.
Thanks, James.
Thank you very much. Cheers.